One of the things I really didn't expect was the psychological aspect of a back injury and how much that really plays into it. My name's Jordan Stanton. I am an intensive care nurse and a strength athlete. So I was a competitive powerlifter as well as a strongman competitor. And working in for a strongman competition, there was a log press. During the lift, I felt a small pain in the left side of my spine. Following the competition, which I actually did place very highly, I ended up getting second in the nation at that competition. I was pretty much crippled. When I'd move, I'd get sharp pains on the left side. Found to have a tear in the left lower side of my L5-S1 disc. There was this instability in my spine, like the vertebrae were just rubbing on top of each other, not really positionally stable, and kept me from doing what I wanted to do. Kept me from training really effectively for powerlifting. Strongman was completely out the window. I used to be a rock climber, just recreational. I had to stop doing that. So I'm an intensive care nurse, which is obviously fairly stressful on your back. There's a lot of twisting, turning, picking stuff up, transferring patients. I did start to miss work, and I got really concerned that this is my livelihood. I actually heard of Dr. Desai through some of the research articles that I had seen. I'd actually seen his name through them, so that was a little comforting. I like to look at research articles. I do it for my work, and all of the conventional procedures seemed pretty scary. Their outcomes seemed pretty poor, and I had come across this one, which was intradiscal PRP, which was fairly new. They brought up my imaging when I came in for my appointment. We discussed it kind of in length. It was really comforting to see that they had previously gone over it too, that I wasn't going in blind. Procedure itself was actually really easy. I really don't remember a lot of it. I remember being present. The sedation nurse did a good job. It felt like we nailed exactly where it was. And then it was fairly quick after that. I'd say within a week, I was back to kind of my baseline. I didn't feel that instability that I had noticed before. Week 5 or 6, I got back with physical therapy, almost pain-free really. I'd say probably by that point I was about 75 to 80% improved. So we're 12 weeks out now, so I am lifting again, but improving quite rapidly from week to week. I also started a new sport. I started practicing jiu-jitsu off of the recommendation of one of my friends. Something I always wanted to try. Being able to kind of take control and do something helped a lot. It just reframed the situation that hey, maybe you can get better.